in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until noon. At 11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Sun Prairie to near New Glarus, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sun Prairie around 11:05 a.m. Columbus, Marshall and Waterloo around 11:10 a.m. Oregon and Brooklyn around 11:15 a.m. Watertown and Stoughton around 11:25 a.m. Edgerton around 11:35 a.m. Lake Koshkonong around 11:40 a.m. Whitewater around 11:50 a.m. Palmyra around 11:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bussaville, Richwood, Hubbleton, Utica, Rockdale, Rome, Token Creek, Henry Vila Zoo, Hebron, and Helenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.